Hari Om. Today we are going to discuss about the file handling using Python programming. See, now I am going to tell you about steps in data file handling. In the last class we have discussed about files, importance of files in programming. And I told you there are mainly two types of files, that is data file and binary file. Binary file and text file. Data file is text file only. And we know the difference between binary files and text files. Today we'll see the processing steps in this data files. For processing a data file we have to do three things mainly. One is opening the file, second one is performing read or write operations, and the third one is closing the file. For opening the file we should first open the file either in read mode or write mode by specifying the name of file and mode. Second is, after opening the file we can perform the read or write operations using various functions available. After performing the processing, that means after doing all the read and write operations, we have to close the file. So these are the three main steps in data file handling. And next I am going to tell you how we can open a file in Python. So we can, I told you, we can open the file either in read, write or append mode. The syntax for opening the file is, see here, two syntaxes are given. In the first syntax, file object is equal to open file name, and in the second syntax, open file name, and one more parameter is there, that is mode. In the first syntax, mode is not given here. So if the mode is not specified, then by default the mode is read. So other than read, if you want to specify write or append, you have to specify it as a second argument. This is an example for opening the file. Here the example is my file is equal to open story.txt. Here my file is the name of the file object. File object, you can name the file object using the identifier by following the identifier forming rules that we have discussed in the +1 classes. So in the same way you can create your own variable. So my file is a variable here. So my file is equal to open, my file is equal to open story.txt. Here open is the function which is used to link our file stream object my file with the file story.txt that exists in the memory. And you just note here that this story.txt, that is the file name, must be enclosed in double quotes. So here the file story.txt is loaded in memory and its reference is linked to the my file object. Now our Python program will access story.txt through my file object. So here story.txt must be present in the same folder where .py file is stored. See here it is given only story.txt, that means it must be present in the folder where .py file is stored. Otherwise, if the file is stored in some other folder, we have to give the full path. Next is opening the, next is an example, same way opening the file by specifying the mode. Earlier in this case file mode is not specified. Here the file mode is specified as R. although it is by default, other options are W, A, etc. See here, open d colon / my data / poem.txt. Here the full name of the full path is specified because the file poem.txt is not stored in the .py files folder. That's why. So, and the second argument R is also given, that is this file is going to open in the read mode. And one more thing you have to take care about, that is instead of single slash, here I have given double slashes, because we already know in Python single slash is used for escape character, and if you are using single slashes it may cause problem, like if the folder name is, for example, if the folder name is Nitin, and if we provide the path as d colon slash Nitin and n, it starts with n, /n, we already know it is an escape character for a new file in Python. So always use double backslash in path. And another solution, that is instead of using double backslashes, we can use R before the path, making the string as a raw string. That is, no special meaning attached to any character. The meaning of R in the beginning of the path indicates that there is no special meaning attached to any characters. Next is about file handle. File handle is nothing but it is the file pointer, that is the file object. So we can specify the file object as file handle or file pointer. That means the file pointer holding the reference of disk file. In Python, we will access and manipulate the disk file through this file handle only. And in this slide you can see the different file modes available. The different file modes available in the text mode and in the text file and binary file is given. In the text file, it is in the first column, it is RWA. These are the mainly used 3 file mode. So I'm discussing about the text file mode only now. So just go through the first column and the fourth column. If the file mode is R, that is we are going to read something from the file. So if you want to read something from the file must exist in the memory, otherwise Python raises error. And if you are specifying the file mode as W, if the file not exist, Python will create the file, and if the file exists in the memory, Python will truncate, Python will remove the contents available in the file, and when we are writing something, it will overwrite the file. And A, it is an append mode, that is it is also file is in write mode only, that is you can enter the data, that is you can enter the new data that will be added to the end of the existing data. There is no overwriting. If file not exist, it is created. Hope you understood the differences. And 3 more options are available in text file mode, that is R+, W+, and A+. R+ means both read and write is permissible, but the file must exist, because read operation means the file must exist, otherwise we cannot read. So if it is R+, the file must exist, otherwise error is raised, but both the reading and writing can take place. W+ means file is created if not exist. If exist, data will be truncated. Both read and write allowed. A+ means write and read, same as above, but previous content will be retained. Previous content will be retained, and both read and write operations can be performed. So just go through the first column, that is RWA. Binary, second is about binary file mode, that is binary file mode is same as text file mode, but RB, the letter B is also attached with the file node, that is RB, WB and AB. B stands for binary file. So if you are processing a binary file, you have to specify the file mode with the letter B. That means along with R, W or A, you have to specify B also. That is RB read only, WB write only, AB append. All the other things are same as text file mode, I mean the definitions. And R plus B or RB plus, that is if you want to perform both read and write operations, you can specify the mode as R plus B or RB plus, both are same. And if you want to open the file in write and read mode, you have to specify it as W plus B or WB plus. And if you want to add some more contents, that is if you want to open the file in append mode, specify it as A plus B or AB plus. Next, after performing all the file operations, we have to close the file. That is, the file handling means when you declare a file handle, a link between the file handle and the disk file is created. So after processing the file, we have to release that link between the file object and the disk file using the function close. The example is also given here, that is myfile.close, and you have to note down that open function is built-in function used standalone, while close must be called through file handle. And now I am going to tell you how to read the contents from the file. To read from the file, I can provide many functions. You have to use that functions along with the file handle, because file handle is the link between, because the file handle is linked with the data, I mean the file available in the memory. So file handle dot read function reads and returns the entire file content. And if you are specifying the number of bytes along with the read function, it read and returns that number of, if you are specifying n bytes, it will return n bytes. Otherwise, if only read is there, it will read the entire file. And the second method of reading the file is file handle dot readline. The readline function reads a line of text from the file. Read line. If you are specifying read line of n, it will read that number of lines from the file. And the third one is file handle dot read lines. Yes, is also there. Read lines reads all lines and returns them in a list. Reads all lines and returns them in a list. And this is a sample example. So if you are going through the example, you will get an idea about file reading. So three parts are here. First part is already existing one file in the notepad. That is, the name of the file is data.txt, that you can see here, and something is written over in the data.txt file. Okay, just see that. And the second portion is the coding, Python coding. Here this code is used to read the content from the data file and display it in the monitor. See the code. My file is equal to open data.txt comma R. I think now you are familiar with the statement. My file is the file pointer, and open function is used to open the file data.txt in read mode, and a connection with this data.txt is established using the file pointer my file. Hope this is clear for you. And next line, str1 is equal to myfile.read10. So read function, we know if read function alone is there, means it will read the entire content. But here it is given as read of 10. That means it will read only the 10 character, 10 bytes from the data.txt file and stores in the variable str1. And next time str2, myfile.read of 5, it will read the first 5 character, not first 5 character, 5 character and store it in str2. str3, myfile.read, it will read the whole content. And the 3 print, next is the print statement, that is output of first read, second read and third read. It is also printed there. And just see the next portion, that is the output screen. See the output screen, first output is India is M, because India is M. If you count, you will get 10 character, including the spaces. 10 characters there. That is the result of myfile.read of 10. And the second read is by COU. See, after whenever we are reading some content from the file pointer will also move. So if we are reading the first letter I, India, if I am reading the first letter I, after reading, the file pointer will move to the next character, that is, it will point to N. Like that, in the first print statement, it already read India is M. That is first 10 character it read and displayed on the screen. And next reading will start from my Y, that is from the letter Y. So it will read only the first 5 characters, that is YCOU, 5 characters are there. Then the third print statement is to print the function, that is myfile.read. Myfile.read means there is no number of bytes specified, so it will read the whole content. See, the output started from entry, that is country is not there, entry, because already we have read the content India is my up to COU. So the remaining portions it read using the read function. Hope it is clear for you.